Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, Alhamdulillah, in this occasion, I will tell you on how to use the microbit function. And now I will explain it about the basics of the time it. But before that, let me introduce myself first. I must be from 8th grade, especially 8A. So, right now, this is the tiny bit, and I will show you the basics of the tiny bit from the controller, from the code, and from the anything. And but before that, let me introduce myself first. My name is Hasbiari Indra Prawira. I am from 8th grade, especially 8A. Okay, now we let's start from the components of the tiny bit. So as you can see here, this is the tiny bit. This is the board, and then right there you have infrared sensor, and then right here this is the microbit socket, and then uh, this is the USB-C for the charging port, and then this is the switch to turn on and turn off the tiny bit. Right now, this is the wheel powered by two motors. Right here at the below of the tiny bit, we have the battery socket, and then the battery to power the tiny bit. And right here we have two motors with the blue color. And then right here we have little ball for the smooth for the smoothing of the tiny bit. Okay, now we will show you of the explanation of the code to control the tiny bit using the code and the Lofi controller. So as you can see here, this is the code of the tiny bit. Right here, you can see the code of the tiny bit. This is the basics of the code to control the tiny bit using the Lofi controller. So as you can see on the chart, this is the to start the Bluetooth service, and right here this is the pretty long code to get the input from the Lofi controller and translate it to the tiny bit movements code. So this code will get the data input from up and will control the tiny bit to run forward. We have down, turn right, turn left, and then down, and then stop. Okay, so this is the pretty all of it of the tiny bit. And now right here, this is the long code of the slider of the Lofi make code controller. So this is used to control the speed of the tiny bit using the slider on the Lofi robot controller. So now, as you can see here, this is the Lofi controller, and I will explain you on how to use this. First, okay, so this is the homepage of the Lofi controller. Okay, now so there is the Bluetooth connect button. This is used to connect the tiny bit to the Lofi controller. And now this is the up button to make the tiny bit move forward. And then right here, this is the button to move the tiny bit to left, right, and then down. Alright, so maybe that's all for the tiny bit video. And then there's one thing left, and that is the slider that used to control the tiny bit speed. And then maybe that's all from me. Thank you for watching the explanation. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.